Good morning. We're going to talk about what's going on for the fall trends. So Monday night we had a little bit of a training session with some of our Mary Kay girls, and I've learned that one of the fall trends is a monochromatic theme, not only for your clothes but also for your makeup. Monochromatic meaning all of one color. It doesn't have to mean the same shade of that color, but the same color. So it could range in saturation and hue of that color. So what we're going to do today, I've already got my foundation on, I've already got my contour on, I got my brows on, so we're going to try a monochromatic look using one color. I'm a little nervous about this, so y'all leave me some comments as to what you think. If it's not great, you won't hurt my feelings, I promise. But we're going to give it a go and see. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our Warm Desert eyeshadow, liquid matte eyeshadow, and a brown eyeliner. And we're going to use this color for our eyes, our cheeks, and lip. I'm a little nervous, so we'll see. I'm going to use my cream shadow brush for the eyeshadow just to kind of blend it out and get it where I want it. You can blend it with your finger, but this is going to give me a little bit more precision. And then on the cheek, I'm going to use our cheek brush. Okay, here goes nothing. So if I get too close to the camera, y'all just bear with me because I'm trying to get to the mirror. It's hard to do this without my glasses on. So I'm going to put it right here towards the crease, but a little higher because I have hooded eyes. So if you put it above your crease, if you have hooded eyes, it won't get lost. All right, so we're just gonna blend this out. I'm not gonna go for a real glammed up makeup look today. Just something simple and monochromatic. So we shall see how this turns out. Like I said, I'm staying above the crease just so I don't lose the color when I open my eyes. And as usual, I'm knocking stuff over. So maybe that means I need to clean up. Okay, so I got a little more on one side than I did the other. So I'm gonna darken this right side a little. Again, just going above the crease and blending that out. Okay, so we're using all of this color. Now, whatever's left, I'm gonna try to smudge it underneath. Just to give it a little shadow underneath. Okay, so there's the eyes. They look pretty even, right? Okay, so again, the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna start right here and do 3 dots. I'm gonna do one side at a time. And I'm going to blend up. I'm just gonna dab and blend up. I don't want to go any lower than probably the corner of my eye, just so that I don't pull my face down. I want it to go up and out, just to kind of give a lifted look. Not too bad. All right, same thing on this side. 3 dots. And we're gonna dab and blend up and out. And if it, just keep blending till you get it the way you want it. Seems like I always get more on one side than I do the other, so I'm just gonna keep blending. Just blend, blend, blend. All right. Not too bad so far, right? Okay, now for the eyeliner. This is just the brown eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner. We might could use like an auburn nude maybe if you wanted something that wasn't completely brown. But I wanted a little bit more definition on my lash line and some contrast. So you can have contrast with the same color depending on the saturation of the hue that you're using. Excuse my voice, y'all. Okay, so there's that liner, and I'm gonna go just underneath that lash line on the bottom. Notice I'm not going all the way across. We talked about that before. Going all the way across on the bottom closes your eye off. Now, if you're looking for that and you're wanting a real dramatic look, you can go all the way across. But for me, I want to look like I'm awake and not. My eyes are small anyway, so I don't want to close them off. So I'm going to use the eyeliner just like halfway. So far, not bad, huh? Right? Okay. Only because I can't do, my lips have to be last, y'all. I'm sorry. All right. Mascara, my trusty Panorama. Just a couple quick coats of that. And then a couple of swipes on the bottom. Okay. Eyes are done. Not too bad. Okay, now for the lips. I'm not going to use a lip liner. I'm just going to go in on my lips with the eyeshadow. We're going to see how this goes. It's not bad. It's very subtle. I like it. But it is a little drying because it's not meant for the lips. So don't come at me. So because it is a little drying, I'm going to add some Copper Aura lip gloss to it. Same color family. And just so I get some moisture. That's pretty. Okay. There it is, y'all. Monochromatic look with Warm Desert for the eyes, the cheeks, and the lips. Go experiment. Have fun. Happy Wednesday.